Summing up ASP in one sentence, I would say a group of people that are mutually committed to success on the corporate and individual level. I didn't have a specific trade that I was looking to go into. And I didn't have a specific hometown where I knew everybody and I had a base that I could build upon no matter what I wanted to do. ASP in this franchise offered a business to start and the training, and I could go take it to any city. One thing I enjoy the most about my job is customer interaction and the variety of customer interactions. I get to meet a lot of people, and it's an intimate setting as well. It's not on business terms. I'm not making business relationships, though I am. It feels much more personal. The first couple of years, I didn't have much flexibility in my time, but now I'm able to make it, take my kids to school anytime I want to. My business allows me a place to create. Clearly, I'm creating when we design pools. But I'm also creating a business, I'm creating a culture, I'm creating a place for people to come and work that they enjoy and a place that customers can depend on, and so it's very creative for me. I think having that outlet, that creative outlet at work, makes me a healthier husband, a healthier dad.